Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking pork ribs, carrots and potatoes. Okay then, so first of all we will add the olive oil, some black pepper, some Provencal herbs, salt, one teaspoon of sweet paprika, and we'll give this a mix. We'll add a little bit of this wine so we can mix it better. Okay, then we are going to add the pork ribs, which I've cut into separate pieces. Then the garlic, which I've already cut, along with the potatoes and carrots. Next, the carrots and the potatoes, which I've cut into, as you can see, large cubes, pieces, whatever you want to call it. Then I will add the wine and the water, and I'll mix it all in. Once everything is mixed in nicely, I will put it in the fridge, covered, and we'll leave it there for about an hour. So after about an hour, take it out of the fridge and put it all on the cooking tray. And we'll spread it about. Okay then, so the next step will be to put it in the oven at, I'm using the oven fan, so I'm not preheating it. So I'll put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright then, so half an hour it's been in the oven. So what I'm going to do now is give the potatoes, carrots and of course the ribs a move over, and I'm going to chuck it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Let's do it. And while we wait for that to cook, we'll have a glass of wine and mellow out for a bit. Cheers everyone. Okay then, so 15 minutes, not 30 as I mentioned before, have passed by, and this looks delicious. The perfect quick roast dinner. Well, thank you for watching today. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And I look forward to making my next recipe video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.